Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do mango rasam. For the recipe I am going to take 2 raw mangoes. We have to peel the skin and cut them into pieces. Chopped mangoes are ready. Let us transfer this into a pan. To this add 2 green chillies, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 cups of water. To this add the required amount of salt and allow it to boil. Cook the mangoes for about 10 minutes. The mangoes should be soft like this and should not be overcooked. Now drain the water and transfer the mangoes and green chillies into a mixie jar. Let us grind this into a fine paste. Now transfer the paste into the same drained water. Give this a nice mix. Adjust the water according to the need. Add a teaspoon of jaggery and give a nice mix. Stir this and cook until everything gets mixed well. This is ready. Set this aside. Next let us move on to the tempering. For the tempering you need a tablespoon of oil. Here I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of black gram. Once the mustard starts popping, add 2 chopped garlic cloves, few curry leaves, a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 or 3 dry chillies. Fry everything well for about a minute. And here our tempering is ready. Let us add this into the rasam. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves. You can have this rasam along with the rice, it will taste so good. You can also have this as a soup. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.